Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Wherever you are, stay healthy and happy. Hi everyone. It's Harry here. This featured video is for all of you who return to my channel and who already have a taste of what one can expect to find here. We moved to a new house fairly recently and we are still unpacking boxes and decorating. To make life even more complicated, we decided to have a new kitchen. So, in came the hordes of various frightening characters who demolished what was there, and then a delightful gentleman appeared, with his dilapidated van, and started assembling the various bits and pieces, like Rembrandt on a good day. It took a whole week for the ninth wonder to appear. A real joy to look at. So, by now you have gathered why I have not uploaded any of my usually phenomenal videos for a while, actually, for quite a while. However, I am preparing for you all a mouth-watering video on how to build a superior jigsaw table. Please wait for a while longer and it will be here for your viewing pleasure before you know it. In the meantime, have a cup of coffee with me, indulge with a piece of cake full of fortifying calories and take a break. We all need a break every now and then, don't we? I hope that you like what I made for you today.